In the previous video, we discussed fitting terminology. Now, in this video, I am going to show how to connect and qualify your customer with the correct size, thread type, and style of fitting to meet their needs. You will learn about Greenleaf's line of nylon and polypropylene fittings. So let's get started. This project is aimed towards your everyday customer, including homeowners, farmers, plumbers, etc. Fittings are commonly used in fluid flow applications. You will see them on equipment that transfers fluid like sprayers, pumps, hoses, and many other applications. There are some important questions to ask your customer to help determine what fitting is right for their application. Start by asking what pressure or PSI will the fitting be subjected to. In most cases, residential and farm applications do not see pressures above 60 PSI. If the pressures are above 70 PSI, recommend a brass, aluminum, or steel fitting. Next, ask them in what temperate range they will be working. Also ask what size fitting they need. Finally, ask what type of application the fitting will be used for: chemical, outdoor, drinking water, etc. Greenleaf's nylon and polypropylene hose, pipe, garden hose, nozzle, and heavy-duty fittings are manufactured in sizes ranging from 1/8 inch to 3 inch. Nylon fittings are both NSF 61 and NSF 372 certified. The pressure rating of the nylon fittings is rated at 75 PSI from 32 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Polypropylene fittings are not NSF 61 or NSF 372 certified. The pressure rating is 75 PSI from 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Both nylon and polypropylene fittings are highly durable and chemical resistant and offer in a variety of thread and hose shank combinations. Now that your customer is interested in the product, we will teach you how to answer the most frequently asked questions. The likely first question is, what is the difference between the white nylon fittings and the black polypropylene fittings? Both materials have virtually the same chemical and strength characteristics. Basically comes down to personal preference. However, nylon is hygroscopic, which means it must absorb moisture to reach its full strength capabilities. Polypropylene is not hygroscopic. Next, do I need to use thread tape or thread sealant? Yes. Recommend a couple of wraps of Teflon threaded tape or a light coating of thread sealant. Also, do I need to use a hose clamp with hose barb? Yes, always use a hose clamp. They may also ask, why are the hose barbs bigger than the inside diameter of my hose? The hose barbs are designed to be slightly bigger so the hose fits tightly onto the hose barb. The final frequently asked question is, can these hose barbs be used with hard, rigid hose or tubing? No. The barbs on Greenleaf fittings are designed for soft, flexible tubing hoses only. If they need a fitting that is used with hard, rigid hose or tubing, they would need a fitting with ANSI 2609 style barbs. It is important to make sure that your customer has everything they need to complete their project before leaving the store. Ask them if they need Teflon threaded tape or threaded sealant that helps lubricate and seal threaded connections. They will also need clamps for all barbed hose shank fittings. This video provides the tools to help you better understand how to sell Greenleaf nylon and polypropylene fittings. As a representative of Greenleaf, we're counting on you to sell this product to increase customer satisfaction and help your store grow. For more information about this product, be sure to check us out at green-leaf.us.